The Kindle Scribe is a game changer for reading. Hello friends, my name is Kim. I am an emergency medicine doctor in California, and today I'd like to talk to you about the Kindle Scribe and how I use it for reading, annotating, and remember everything that I read. So without further ado, let me show you how I use the Kindle Scribe. Let's turn it on. Okay, so this is the Kindle Scribe. Let's turn it on. You can see here all the books that I have. I'm going to open one book and show you how I annotate it. So let's turn the page. You can turn the page by clicking or touching on the right, and with the pen you can go ahead and highlight very easily here, and you can choose to write a note here. And this is how I would write a note. Now I make an effort to write as legibly as possible so I can use character recognition later. So this is a note that I've put before, and you can see this was highlighted, and you can even write a note. You can see that icon here, note icon. You can tap on it and you can see the note that I've made, what is obvious that I might not be aware of. So this is an example of a book that I've already highlighted and made notes in, and this is a great feature of the Kindle Scribe. Okay, so we are here on the desktop, and what I have done is I've opened Microsoft Word, and I'll show you a trick. What you can do is you can open the PDF document that was sent by Kindle and open it with Word. And what will happen if you can drop it, you can open it with Word here, and what will happen is they will transcribe the PDF into a Word document. That is useful because now everything is editable except for your notes. Now you might be asking, how can I get a transcription of these notes? Can we run OCR or character recognition on these notes? Yeah, it is possible, but provided that you have good handwriting, unlike me. But let me show you another trick. You can use this app called Cleanshot on Mac, and it will allow you to do OCR under this capture text function here. And you can take a screenshot right here, and it will copy an OCR version of this text on your clipboard. So if you go on top here, on the bottom. Okay, so now that I've processed this PDF file onto Word, you can see that I can edit this Microsoft Word document very easily. Now the PDF becomes editable with any notes that you might want to add. Now you might be asking yourself, how do I run character recognition on these written notes? Well, there is an app on Mac called Screenshot X, which allows you to run character recognition by simply using this function called capture text. And you can take a screenshot right here, and it will copy the characters in your clipboard. Let's take a look. So this is the note that I've written by hand, and let's cut and paste here. Let's paste here. I'm doing Command V, and it says here, your thoughts must be controlled by yourself, but be evaluated and questioned. So it's not perfect. You can see it did not completely understand what I wrote here, but you can definitely change that easily. And you have your note. There you go. Now, on to the next part. Now that I have all these notes, how do I make sure that I'm able to remember all these notes? And we'll go to the next app that allows me to process these notes. Okay, so now that I've taken Kindle's PDF and ran it to Word and ran optical character recognition on this file, I have all my notes searchable and editable. I'm going to go ahead and save that now back into PDF form. And I'll show you why I do this. So go back to export to PDF, and I'm going to say number 2 here. The reason why I'm converting back into PDF because I'm going to use this website called Humata.ai. And Humata.ai is a website that allows you to analyze your PDF using artificial intelligence. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the PDF file that I've made that had all my written notes converted into searchable format, so that Humata, the AI, will be able to read all of my written notes. So see, I'm uploading this, and it's uploading the PDF file that I've made, It takes a little bit of time, but trust me, it's worth it. See, already done, open. So this is my PDF file with my notes, but also with the transcription of my notes that I've done here with optical character recognition. So I can ask a question, any type of question. So for example, what does this document say about your thoughts? See, it gives you a very detailed answer. This document is about how our thoughts and beliefs are shaped by our experiences and how we can choose to be conscious and aware of our thoughts and beliefs. It emphasizes the importance of being mindful of our thoughts and how we construct meaning from our experiences. It also suggests we should be careful not to worship money, things, our bodies, and our intellect, and these can lead to feeling of emptiness and dissatisfaction. Absolutely amazing analysis based on all the highlights we've done, including the highlight that I have converted from my own notes. Flashcard number 1. What is the main point of the fish story? Answer. The main point of the fish story is that the most obvious, ubiquitous, and important realities are often the hardest to see and talk about. That's exactly what this book is about. Amazing. Okay, there you go. This is my video about how I use a Kindle Scribe, optical character recognition, and artificial intelligence to remember everything that I read. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.